I would like to explain the topics of variables and data types in Python. Variables are nothing but containers that are used to store a value, and data types are nothing but the classifications of values that are stored in a variable as considered as data types. In Python, there are several data types, but the standard data types are int, float, string, list, tuple, dictionary. Int, all the numericals are considered as into int data type, and all the decimal values are considered into float data type, and all the values which are in single quotation or double quotation has considered has to be a string. And let us see all these with examples. Now I have taken a variable name a is equals to 10 and assigned a value 10 to it. In Python, there is no command to derive a variable, and variables are always case sensitive. Small a and capital A are considered as two different variables. Let us take small a as a variable and assign a value 10 to it and try to print a variable a. When you try to print a variable a, the value which is assigned to the variable a as printed as the output. Let us see the data type of a. Has the data type a numerical value is given to the variable a, the data type of a is given as int. Now let us see the case sensitive. Has capital A is given, capital A variable is given and value of 15. Print a. The value is 15. As Python is case sensitive, and in Python, variables names should always start with alphanumericals or underscores. And let us take in decimal value 10.0 and take a variable name my variable and assign value 10.0 to it and try to print it and find the data type of it. As it is a decimal value, the data type of it would be float. Now let us take b as a variable and try to print a string. As it is in double quotations, Python is considered as a string and try to print it. Now let us try to print two variables at a time, a and b. As the assigned values of a and b is 10 and Python, both are printed as an output. Now let us take another example. My string is equals to Akhil. The value assigned to a variable my string is Akhil as a string. So let us try to print and find the data type of my string. So the data type is given as string. Bool values in Python. In Python, Boolean values are nothing but true or false values. The value with 0 is considered as a false value and the value with non-zero numbers is considered as a true value. Now take my value and let us try to print my value and type of my value. Here we can see it is given as false as because the value is taken as 0 and class is defined as bool value as it is a false. Now let us try to take a non-zero number and try to print it and find the data type of it. Here we can find that like value 2, variable 2, the value is stored 6 because it is true. So print type of it is taken as Boolean value. Here we can see that example difference between example of string 0 and int as a 0. When 0 has taken as an integer, it is considered as a numeric value. And when we try to operand with this integer value, we can do operations and use as an operand. For example, I'm trying to add 0 and 7 and using operander addition operand, we can print the value. While 0 in strings has considered as a text value, it can be printed, but it can never used as an operander or with an operander. So let us try to print a string value and a integer value 5. We can print a string and an integer value together, but we can never use a string 0 as an operander in Python. Let us see it as an example. Here it shown as error because it is string 0 has considered as a text value, so it cannot be in an operander. Thank you.